As part of Operation Jazeera Storm, which was resumed with the goal of clearing the territory under Islamic State rule in southeast al-Hasaka province and liberating Dashisha town, fighters of the Syrian Democratic Forces have managed to break into the group's stronghold and advance about 4 kilometers from the west. The village of al-Faq'ah, which is located 15 kilometers south of al-Shaddadi town, was the first significant area liberated by the SDF after the operation resumed. "Our main aim is to completely oust the ISIS presence in the area," said Kabar, an SDF fighter from al-Shaddad, stating that the operation would continue until the people of the region were completely freed from the tyranny and injustice ISIS caused.
بلشنا حملة الدشيشة، تقدمنا من السينور بيومنا الثاني هذا، تقدمنا 4 كيلومتر. فاتوا رفاقنا اقتحموا القرية اللي قدامنا، متجهين لقرية مرجان. هم يعني بدنا نكمل لقرية الدشيشة ونطهر قرية الدشيشة بتكميل حملتنا لحدود العراق. إن شاء الله يعني راح نطهر هالمناطق هاي من رجس داعش الإرهابي.
Although ISIS has used various tactics to stop the SDF from moving forward in the region, SDF fighters are advancing steadily anyway. All the attacks and traps set up by ISIS up until now have been foiled by SDF fighters. The SDF commander leading the operation stated that ISIS has planted mines and used human shields in order to stop the SDF's advance.
نحن هلا عم جهز حالنا، عم جهز رفقاتنا مشان ناخذ هالقرى حوالي منطقة الدشيشة، ونحن ماشيين هلا 4 كيلومتر. الألغام يعني عم يزرعوا ألغام، والله عم يزرعوا يعني على الطرق، عم يزرعوا بين الأراضي الفاضية، يعني مشان نحن كمان ما نقدر نمشي عليهم. هن عم يزرعوا هالألغام هاي بهالشكل هذا يعني.
The invading Turkish army and its mercenaries' attacks against Afrin interrupted the operation. ISIS, which took advantage of the Turkish attacks and used them to reorganize and regroup, intensified its activities in the area south of Hasaka during that time. The initial aim of the relaunched campaign is to end the ISIS presence in the southern part of Hasaka.